So I'm trying to create image generation locally on my laptop so I don't have to pay for a monthly Mid-Journey subscription. Because if I want to create a bunch of image generation for my business, it's not going to be feasible using a monthly capped credit sort of paid software when you can actually do it for free. But before doing so, I needed to understand like what is Stable Diffusion. Everyone was like, hey, if you want to do it for free, look into Stable Diffusion. So Stable Diffusion is a generative artificial intelligence model that produces unique photorealistic images from text and image prompts. When was it launched? 2022. Who was it founded by? So it was originated from a project called Latent Diffusion, developed in Germany by researchers at Ludwig Maximilian University in Munich and Heidelberg University. 4 of the 5 original authors, Robin, Andreas, Patrick, Dominic, later joined Stability AI and released subsequent versions of Stable Diffusion. So it originally was founded by these 4 people who were, actually it was 5 authors that were researchers. And then these 4 then got hired by Mohammed Ahmed Mostek and by Stability.ai. He's the founder of Stability.ai. So that means originally it was just like a research project. And then I guess it got absorbed and they created new versions of it under Stability.ai, and I guess that's how they monetized it. So why is Stable Diffusion free? Because it's this open software, open source software that anyone can just install completely for free, whereas people are paying $20, $10, $30 a month for things like Mid-Journey. Why is Stable Diffusion for free? Well, the underlying algorithm was developed by a university research team. And it was published academically, made open source rather than being patented, as this is most common for publicly funded research of this nature because it was funded by the university. So it serves as a resource to further work in the field, which is the author's primary goal. So that's exactly why it's free. Now my next question was like, is Mid-Journey based on Stable Diffusion? So no, Mid-Journey is not based on Stable Diffusion, although they share similar underlying technology. Mid-Journey uses its own custom models optimized for artistic styles, whereas Stable Diffusion utilizes an open source latent diffusion model, which allows for greater customization, technical control, and making it more versatile for advanced users. Then I was like, okay, what the hell is latent diffusion model? And I guess that's the name of the project, Latent Diffusion. I guess they might have invented it. So latent diffusion model, a latent diffusion model is a type of deep learning used for generating high quality images by gradually transforming random noise, so it's like these dots, into it's like this blur image that then forms into a real image. And this process is called diffusion. But it operates within a compressed latent space, like a box, which captures the essential features of the image, allowing for faster and more efficient image generation compared to standard diffusion models. Now the last question I had is like, where did Stable Diffusion get all that data to train on? So Stable Diffusion primarily draws its training data from a large dataset called LAION5B, Large AI Open Network, which is a collection of image text pairs scraped from the web through Common Crawl, a public web crawler. So yeah, that is what Stable Diffusion is. So hopefully this gives you more of an understanding. Like definitely this, like I was just installing and I had no idea what it was, how it worked, and this gives me context behind it, and it's going to allow me to better build the things I want with AI. So I'm glad I did this research. Hopefully you guys got value. If you guys want to go ahead and learn how to implement AI into your business, you want to learn how to make money with AI, you just need help with AI, please send me a message. My Instagram, my email is in the description below. I'd love to see if I can help you out. Peace.